What's up, guys? Welcome back again in my YouTube channel, Johan Sagal in the Bodybuilding Podcast session. So today I got the little bit topic podcast we can talk. Okay, we can talk and discussion together about the new information of Shawn Rhoden news. Okay, we all know our beloved family, our champion Shawn Rhoden have passed away in 2020 November 5th, and now we gonna jump up and we gonna watch, listen, someone of the guy who really near and close with Shawn Rhoden, who already speak up and telling us the real story. Okay, the real story. There's really so much fake and not really real story we get and we heard about Shawn Rhoden pass away, right? So we need to cover this and we need to change the whole news, the whole information about the fake Shawn Rhoden issue. And hopefully this video can bring the real story, real information that we all want as a family, as a fans, as a people who really wanna all of the good things for Shawn Rhoden. We can doing this together, okay? I'm doing this for Shawn Rhoden because I love Shawn Rhoden. So without wasting our time, guys, before we go jump up into it, please click the bell button, subscribe, and let's go. We heard from the Stephanie Mall, who is tell us the story about the real Shawn Rhoden news information.
Sad news that shook, sport of bodybuilding, obviously, right? But for you, I'm sure it hit completely different for you. What can you tell me about how you heard about it? What can you tell me about his passing?
So the last, so Shawn passed away November 5th at night. And so November 5th, the Olympia was a few weeks earlier. So he traveled to the Olympia. And when he came back from the Olympia, he was very tired.
So in the November 5th, this is 2020, okay? This is 2020. That we all know last year, okay, last weekend, before the Olympia, we heard the news that Shawn Rhoden gonna come back, okay? That's the really real story that Shawn Rhoden gonna come back. Even Shawn Rhoden himself tell us that he's gonna come back and gonna standing up with Brandon Curry, with Big Remy, all of the younger coming competitors, right? Like Nick Walker, Hunter Labrada, Samson Lauda, Regan, Ian Valier. He's gonna be battle and gonna be compete with all of these guys. But Stanley Mal said something wrong with him. Okay, I saw him. He feels like he's tired. Okay, something wrong. Okay, something wrong. So we continue this. What's the next story?
That was kind of like the first sign. He was feeling really tired. He had then he went to see his daughter. When he came back, he had kind of like a cold or something. He was, he had a hard time breathing. His oxygen levels were low because he was monitoring his health. He had actually, when I left for Chicago, he was supposed to meet me and my girlfriend with his girlfriend at the time to have dinner before I leave. And whilst they were driving toward LA, they had to stop and go back home because he was feeling sick. At the time we thought he had COVID, but actually that was his first heart attack that he ever had.
And that's why the beginning of the story start that Shawn Rhoden have some heart attack, okay? That's the beginning of the story that Shawn Rhoden have some kind of like heart attack. That the first things, okay, when it comes to the mind, like a standing man with his girlfriend, right? He saw the Shawn Rhoden some kind of like not really well situation that he was already feels, right? He feels like, man, what's wrong with you, Shawn? You looks like you're not really good. Shawn Rhoden don't know what happened with him body, with him, what happened with him life, like something kind of like that feeling, right? Maybe they go to the doctor and they check is Sean Roden really got COVID or not, but the result of the labs and the test is no, Sean Roden is negative to getting COVID-19. And another news, for the next check labs, after that we get the result that he get heart attack. And I heard the news again that he get another heart attack. That name he is several heart attack or something maybe, but yeah, something like the several heart attack, and that's really scary things. So basically, he has the 2 heart attack. That's the real story.
Yeah, so when he came back from the Olympia, he went to see his daughter. He came back, he was feeling sick. He had a hard time breathing, headaches. Something with his head mostly. He felt something was wrong with his head. Like he didn't know. He didn't. You know. He thought that was gonna go away.
Man, to be honest with all of you guys, okay? At the same time, I want to hear that what's the real reason, okay? The real information about Sean Roden can leave all of us, okay? Can pass away. But I'm really scared. To be honest, guys, this is from bottom of my heart. This is really sad and really hurt me when it comes to hurt. Real reason, the real information about Sean Roden pass away. That's really hurt me, guys. He said like Stanimal tell us that he already know before this happened. He already thinking that he's knowing he's gonna goes away and he's gonna pass away. I cannot say anything about this, guys. This is a really sad, really sadly stories, I think.
The Tuesday before he passed, we were in the gym together. He trying to train, but he was not really feeling it. Then on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, he went to do a COVID test. It was negative. So he just thought, that was gonna pass.
So right, you hear, guys? You hear that? Imagine if you was already in Sean Roden position and you was be Sean Roden. I'm sure you're gonna getting stressed, you're gonna getting feels like your mind it's really not something like work normal anymore. Because why? Because you got depressed, because you got pressure, you have to doing competition for the Olympia, you have to some kind like getting fight with what your feels in your heart, in your feelings. You have to thinking about your family, your wife, your kids at home, because at the same time he's not live with his wife and with his kids. He trained at the Dragon Slayer, I think, and live there, okay? I don't know where his wife and the kids of Sean Roden live, okay, stay, but I'm sure he's not living together with his wife and kids, okay? But imagine if he was Sean Roden position. That's really will make you stress and really pressure your mind and your life, I think.
As he's trying to he wanted to sit down and relax, and the person brought him a glass of water, and as they gave him the water and came to check on him, he was not responding. So they, pushed him, and he just collapsed. And they called 911. The ambulance came. They're trying to reanimate him. At the time, I was cold, so I rushed there. When I got there, the ambulance was taking him to the hospital. So I followed the ambulance, and then when we got to the hospital, within maybe 10 or 15 minutes, they told us we could come, and that he actually, he was actually passed. And it seems like his heart stopped working.
They're all of the family of Sean Roden. I don't have some kind like want to make all of you getting hurt with this video, okay? I'm just want to make him because I love Sean Roden personally. Believe me, guys, okay? Believe me, fam. I love Sean Roden. Even I never meet him and never talk with him, okay? But I'm one of the fans and I'm one of the guy who called Sean Roden as a father, as a brother in my heart, okay? And I'm already getting mad and I'm already getting so much angry with Sean Ray back in the day because he's already telling the bullshit, the fake news about Sean Roden, and he said about Sean Roden have some kind like addicted drugs, recreational drugs, and it's really what the freaking hell with what he's saying. Okay, so I want to cover this and make it this clear to all of the people and all of the fans, especially in the bodybuilding world. So many fake news and so many not really real news that we can get and information about Sean Rodan pass away. So hopefully from this video I can show you the truth, the story about the real news, why and how Sean Rodan already left us. Okay.
But I don't think they've done an autopsy, as far as I know. I was talking with his brothers to have an update, and it doesn't seem like they've done anything. So I thought they were going to do it anyway because he was only 46, but maybe something needed to be requested or something like that. But when we went for his funerals, November 25th, if I'm not mistaken, it was 27th. It was there was no news about like any type of autopsy or anything else. So
Yeah, that's the end, and that's the real stories information about how Sean Rodan left us, how our family, our champion Sean Rodan have passed away. So hopefully, like I said before, I wanna cover this and I wanna show this to all of the bodybuilding world, all of the fans, all of the people, and all of the family, friends of Sean Rodan. If you love Sean Rodan, that's all of the news and all of the information about Sean Rodan pass away. It's not true and it's fake. Okay, don't believe of that story and that information out there. Once again, Sean Rodan, if you hurt me, rest in peace with you, man. Rest in peace, my big champ, my big brother. Hopefully, you getting peace. You gonna stay live in my heart forever. Sean, I love you, and hopefully we can meet together sometimes. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you feels like this video is really value information and bring the benefit to all of you, please click the bell button, subscribe. I would love to talk and discussion with all of you the whole topic of the bodybuilding sports and the bodybuilding world. And let's make the bodybuilding world and bodybuilding sports is the best sport and the best work we can get in our life. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm your host Johan Sagala sending out. May God bless you all.